How's it going, everybody? I hope you're having a wonderful day. It's a balmy 54 degrees outside. Can you believe that? But today we're heading to Marshville, North Carolina to go to the Randy Travis Music Festival. Used to be called the Boll Weevil Festival. And they're actually running it a little late this year because of weather. You know, it's been a crazy year for that. And with all that said, we're going to head out that way. I thought I'd take you along. I was going anyway. And plus I got some other stuff to do while I'm out. And yeah, let's go see some really cool cars because they always have them because the main street is small. So they have the cars, you know, angled at each other. And you can literally almost walk right down the middle and touch each car as you go down through there. It's a really nice little narrow spot, and it's never really overly busy. Yes, there's a crowd, but it's not like, you know, some of your big time shows and everything to where you can actually enjoy walking through this little small venue. So let's go. I'm not going to bore you with the ride. We're just going to go there and start looking at some cool cars.
Many miles away from home, steps were difficult, I'm exhausted, but I did not fall. I hope something good is coming up. Free like a bird, but also bound up, and my footsteps on the ground. I raise my head, listen to the sound, I'm happy with what I have found. Just breathe, just breathe, just breathe, just breathe. No one ever told me how hard it's gonna be. My way is full of branches, like the roots of a tree. Where should I go from here? I need a good advice. The elders waiting for me at sunrise. I'm in the prison, open doors, 10 directions on the floor. I lose my mind, lose my sight. Tell me how I'm gonna win this fight. Just breathe, just breathe, just breathe, just breathe, just breathe, just breathe. Take the courage, babe. Everybody breaks. This is not your fate. Never you take. 'Cause I would rather die than to live it out. Not being who I wanna be. You ever tried? Not being who I wanna be. Just cause I would rather die. Cause I would rather die. Just breathe. Take the courage, babe. Everybody ready. Cause I would rather die. This is not your fate. Cause I would rather die.
Nothing seems the same. Always on the go now. Never seem to slow down. You've been playing games. You don't pick up the phone now when you know I'm never home now. Tell me when am I gonna see you? 'Cause I've been missing your body right beside me. Tell me when am I gonna see you? You've been driving me crazy. I can't take this. All I wanna do is be right there for you. Be right there with you. All I wanna do is be right there for you. Be right next to you. Wait a minute. Trust is not an issue. Just pick up the phone now, 'cause I'm on the way back for you. So tell me when am I gonna see you?